Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious egg sandwich. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Don't forget a slice of cheese, a pinch of salt, and some freshly ground black pepper for seasoning. Make sure you have a non-stick pan, a spatula, and a small bowl ready to go. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's cook those eggs to perfection. Start by whisking your 2 eggs in a small bowl with a pinch of salt and pepper until they are well combined. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat until it begins to foam. Pour the egg mixture into the hot pan and let it cook for about 2 minutes or until the edges start to set. You can either fold the egg in half to create a neat patty or gently scramble it, depending on your preference. With your egg cooked, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Begin by toasting your 2 slices of bread to your desired level of crispness. Golden brown is usually perfect. Once toasted, immediately place 1 slice of cheese on 1 piece of the warm toast. The residual heat will help it melt beautifully. Carefully transfer your perfectly cooked egg onto the cheese-covered toast. Finally, top it all off with the 2nd slice of toast to complete your warm and inviting egg sandwich. The best part about an egg sandwich is how easily you can make it your own. Feel free to add a slice of crispy cooked bacon, a fresh tomato, or some creamy avocado for extra flavor and texture. A thin layer of mayonnaise, a dash of hot sauce, or even a sprinkle of fresh herbs can elevate your sandwich. Serve your warm egg sandwich immediately to enjoy it at its peak. Don't hesitate to experiment with various cheeses and seasonings to discover your ultimate favorite combination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.